We are here at Startup Mahakumbh and today we will be interviewing the startups that are here. We would be questioning them about their story and it would be a quite interactive section. So be connected. You are into, sir?
I'm an incubator.
Incubator.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So I'm with iCreate.
My name is Kavleen. I am from a startup named GetMedJob, an online job platform only for healthcare sector. My name is Kavleen. I'm from a startup named GetMedJob. So we are the team of GetMedJob. So right now we are collecting the stories of startups. We are here with Sharanjeet from Orange Health Labs. What's your good name, sir?
Karan Singh.
Okay,
Yeah.
and you're from?
I'm from Sikkim.
Hello everyone. Today we are here with Nikunj. What do you sir feel about GetMedJob? Like expectations you have, and what is your product, and how is your experience right now?
So iCreate is India's oldest standalone incubator based in the outskirts of Ahmedabad.
Okay, sir. That's
Okay.
great.
So my role is to handle the incubation function over there.
So we started our skilling right from the starting of education itself. So our academic curriculum is oriented more or less into the what is the requirement for the industry.
So we all know that pollution is rising day by day, and Delhi NCR it's hectic to live here. So coming upon from that thought only, we thought of developing something that can really bring a change. So we started developing a purifier.
My company's name is Kosa Technologies Private Limited, and we are into building medical devices for real-time cancer diagnosis.
So I know there's a great opportunity for this space, and what you guys are doing in terms of creating a niche.
माय नेम चिरंजीत है, मैं हायरिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर हूँ ऑरेंज हेल्थ में। तो जो लैब टेक्नीशियंस होते हैं या रनर्स होते हैं या डॉक्टर्स होते हैं उनको हायरिंग करता हूँ।
We are based in Sikkim, and we are a healthcare startup. We provide basic health facilities at your
I
home.
am Sham, and I'm the co-founder of the company Make Labs Edutech Private Limited, and one of the core person made this robot.
Okay, so
So what do you want to know?
So basically, I want to know how is your experience going? Any startup that catch your eye?
There are plenty of startups that catch the eye. There are startups that are doing good. There are startups that are doing technically good, and then there are startups that are struggling in the initial stages of marketing. Okay, and getting the sales act true.
Yes.
It's a common story. It's some crack it faster, some struggle over it,
Yes, sir.
and that's what we are there to help.
Yes.
The good thing, the positive thing is that there's a lot of enthusiasm in the youth. There's a lot of there's an sense of excitement, and that's a positive thing for the country.
Yes.
Okay, it's good to have that.
Yes, sir.
अब वो इस struggle में कुछ लोग, some people will do well, some won't do well. They all know it,
Yes.
but they're making an attempt, and that's what is heartening.
Yes. But it can be in next 3 or 2 years.
So I know there's a great opportunity for this space, and what you guys are doing in terms of creating a niche is good, which allows people to understand better, and also for specifically people to get those specific jobs. So you're helping both the requirement to be filled for those roles and also to get people to kind of hire those kind of people. So that's good.
Thank you so much.
और हमारे यहाँ ब्लड सैम्पलिंग होती है हर तरीके की। यहाँ पे रूटीन हो गए या जेनेटिक हो गए या ऑर्गन्स मेट्रोलॉजी हो गई, हिस्टो हो गई, वो सारी तरीके हम टेस्ट करते हैं अपनी लैब के अंदर।
ओके सर, जैसे आपने बताया कि आप लैब टेक्नीशियंस के लिए हायरिंग करते हैं, तो कौन से पोर्टल्स पे ज़्यादा तक जाते हैं आप हेल्थ केयर के लिए?
यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी दिक्कत महसूस होती है कि क्योंकि हमें मिल नहीं पाते एम्प्लॉयज़ उस चीज़ के रिगार्डिंग। क्योंकि हम ये सोचते हैं टेक्नीशियन, वो सोचते हैं राइडर, तो अलग अलग तो हमें बहुत मुश्किल होती है। तो हम सोचते हैं कि कोई हमें ऐसा पोर्टल मिले जहाँ पे हमें लैब एज पर लैब टेक्नीशियन DMLT करके उसने मेडिकल लैब टेक्नीशियन हो गया या BSc MLT हो गई, ऐसा कुछ लैबोरेटरीज करियो, तो हम इसे प्रेफर करेंगे कोई ऐसी ऐप हमें मिले।
यू कैन हायर थ्रू आवर पोर्टल। लैब टेक्नीशियंस है हमारे पास अवेलेबल, DMLT स्पेशलिस्ट है, फिलामेटॉमिस्ट है। तो नाउ विद वन क्लिक क्रिएटिंग अ प्रोफाइल, एम्प्लॉयर प्रोफाइल, यू कैन पोस्ट सम फ्री जॉब ओपनिंग्स आल्सो एंड गेट रेलेवेंट कैंडिडेट्स।
या श्योर, आई विल रजिस्टर योर ऐप बिकॉज मेरे को इसमें मदद मिलेगी, मुझे हायरिंग के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलेगी। मुझे पोस्ट नहीं करना पड़ेगा, आपसे डायरेक्ट मैं आपसे कर पाऊंगा, जिससे मुझे अपना जो अच्छे एम्प्लॉयज़ मुझे मिल पाएंगे।
We provide basic health facilities at your home. For example, medicine delivery, diagnostic tests, home nursing, home physiotherapy, and right now we are doing it in collaborating model. For example, we are collaborating with different medical stores, labs, nursing homes, and that's what we are doing.
Do you hire your like recruit or any kind of other staffing also for your?
For logistic, we do have a team around 5 to 6 logistic persons who does the deliveries for medicines. And for blood test, we all do have nurses, 3 to 4 nurses for the sample collection, only for the sample collection. And for the home nursing, we are tied up with different nursing centers.
So what if I told you, sir, that you can make this process easy? Like we have a job portal, as I told you. You can register there as an employer. We have candidates who are interested to work as freelancers also. So they can be the part of this initiative. Whenever they are free or part-time work, they can initiate this kind of things into your area, local area. So would you be interested in?
Yeah, that will be very easy. Like for recruiting, I need to go through different process, but from you all, it will be simpler for me.
Yes. We are available on LinkedIn page. We will be tagging you in this video, and let's connect in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, what we are trying to achieve is surpassing the need for laboratory tests and laboratory reports. Basically, doing what they do in days, we are trying to achieve that within minutes.
That's a great initiative.
Okay, our journey started around 2 to 3 years back. Our founder is basically from engineering background, and well, I would say he's a very generous person. So they saw the need of the hour for coming up with technologies such as this for in the field of cancer diagnosis, and they thought that some work must be done over this. So they got this.
That's great. So, like, how many members do you have in your team right now?
Right now we are in a very early stage. We are an early stage startup, so I would say around 15-20 members in our team. Okay, which consists of doctors as well. So we have doctors empaneled with us. We have R&D team, a whole R&D team with us, and our own manufacturing unit we have set up in Gurgaon.
Developing world's smartest air purifier. It comes with plant-based purification and filter purification. So if you'll come here, you'll see we have filter tray where you have HEPA filter activated carbon filter pre-filter set, which helps you purify all kind of PM particles, PM 2.5, 10. And then you have plant-based root purification technology. So that helps you purify your sulfur, benzene, trichloroethene. Basically, it covers whole spectrum of your indoor air quality. Then you come about this product. So it's a completely automated product. People have hassle of maintaining the plants. So we have a water tank at the base. You can fill it once. It can keep on watering itself for upcoming 1.5 months. So it creates a complete hassle-free experience for customers.
This is Iris, and this is our first product back, and we started a company in 2020, and we work in a field of educational toys, and from there we shifted to robotics and AI, and this is our first product lineup, and we can see 2 different robots. This is Gen 3 and Gen 2 of Iris. Iris stands for Intelligent Robotic Interactive System, and this is made curated for educational. We have a other product is called Ruby, and it is for the medical students. Okay, and it is teaching both doctors and nursing students on the medical subjects.
That's great. That's a great initiative. Basically, students can be helped out with this kind of things. They are the ones who are going through that phase of life, so they want someone to personally guide them up, like what kind of things that they can utilize into this. So it's a great model. Now I can see it's moving also. So it's very impressive. We are an online job platform only for healthcare sector. We have industries from pharmaceuticals to medical devices, biotechnology and life sciences. We saw that Manipal Education is also into health sciences and biotherapeutics and everything. So we just wanted to know, like, how do you guys like go into placement services and everything? How do you start with that recruitment or something like that of your
Students are getting directly absorbed through the campus recruitment, as well as from the other recruitment platform also they are getting absorbed into the various industries.
So what if I told you that there is a program, Campus to Corporate, from our company, from our startup, which can help you place the students directly to the corporates? As the name suggests, we are helping the students to start off their journey from campus to the corporate. So it could help you out in placing the students in a better way. So you can definitely visit our pod. We are at MI 78, and we will let you know more about this program. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. It's very good for a person who is living alone, and he can have a like we have been to Delhi for first time, and we are very much facing this problem of air pollution. We're not able to like adapt to it.
Definitely, you can book for our purifiers. You can visit our websites and book for our purifiers.
Like book it for our office.
Definitely, we'll love it. Sure, we'll love it to have you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
So there is no specific portal right now for healthcare sector jobs. So we are here bridging the gap between candidates who want to work into healthcare sector and employers who want to post out the jobs in there.
Can I give a suggestion?
Yes, sir.
Unsolicited, it's still on record.
Definitely, sir. Very
than
good
this,
suggestion, sir.
than
I
this,
can see your experience.
than this.
You can-
Okay? I've just told you my
Yes,
my
sir.
sense, unsolicited. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Go for it.
That's
Increase
great,
that
sir.
presence.
Thank you so much, sir, for the insight.
All the best. Good talking to you.
Do you do a regular hiring, or is there any specific time that you hire for doctors?
So as a matter of fact, we are currently having an open vacancy for biomedical engineers itself.
As I told you, sir, our company GetMed Job is corely into healthcare sector, so which includes pharmaceutical, medical devices, medical equipments. So we target every department, in which biomedical engineering is also one of the part. It's very impressive. I can see India going ahead with this. Sir, anything you want to add on that we can work upon? Like you have an experience in
No, I think your interface and everything is very simplified. So I think it's a good job. Yeah.
मैं हायरिंग में लास्ट 2 साल से हूँ
Okay.
या
That's great, sir. How's the experience?
गुड एक्सपीरियंस है बट मुझे थोड़ा सा यहाँ टफनेस लगता है जब मुझे टेक्नीशियन नहीं मिल पाते जो मैं पसंद करता हूँ, तो मुझे इसके लिए थोड़ा स्ट्रगल करना फेस करना पड़ता है.
कोई बात नहीं, sir. Now we are here. We'll help you out in every way. Call us up and we will be here to help you out. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.